Good morning. It is May 1st, 2026, and I am committed to making videos. This one might suck, many more might suck as well, because I am just learning how to do it again. It's been quite a while since I've put out any videos. I'm really fascinated with Claude Code and Claude um, Design and some of the other products that they've created. I have been using Claude Code exclusively all day, every day for months now. And I just wanted to share my journey because I am one of the co-founders of a project that we're very proud of called CallScraper. One of the things I'm working on today is making these live transcripts inside of my program for every call that comes in to our companies. We have two different companies that we're working with. And here's our landing page. This is a little description of what we do. Basically, we want to be the preeminent call scraping program on the planet. So if you haven't used Claude Code yet, it is absolutely the most advanced on the planet. Of course, ChatGPT 5.5 has recently come out, and I've got to say, for images, it is the champion. But I'm used to Claude Code. We used Lovable, and we used a couple other Perplexity computer before, but Claude Code just seems to be the best. So we have the largest Claude program, the Max, I believe, but or at least not the enterprise one, but a lot of usage. So, but also Claude Design, you run through those or that usage pretty fast. Let me show you what that looks like. Now here's Claude Design. Doesn't look like much, but from the outset, but you can see a lot of different cool things that you can build with this. I liked this where it follows your mouse, and so I started working with some background effects just for fun. So for example, shader wallpapers, I just put this in. I wanted to see what it could make, and so there's a variety of different options that it came up with. Really fascinating what you can do with just this program. See that? Isn't that, that's just wild. Kind of a weird format that it has. Paper fold, interesting. But Claude Design, something definitely worth your time and energy. I go in here and I feed it my code base for CallScraper, and I give it some logos and colors, and then I use my microphone and a program called WhisperFlow, really amazing, to just dictate what I want as my prompt. So I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want this video to go on forever. My name is Ken Graves. I live down in New Mexico, and I am in my office every day. I would love to gain some sense of community in the vibe coding world and call scraping world. And so I look forward to talking to you and reading any comments you might have. If you're watching this, this is my first one. They'll get better. Thanks for your time.